Electric Technology Company Limited, established in 2017, is a manufacturer of compressor vehicle freezers, with a plant area of 8,544 square meters. The factory has been approved by ISO 9001, ISO 14001, and BSCI. We have Technology Development Center, Injection Molding Department, Sheet Metal Construction Department, Surface Processing Department, Wiring Harness Department, and QC Department, dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service. Our 100 experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. Our company is always customer-centric and is committed to meeting our customers' ever-changing innovative needs. With strong research and development capabilities, we are making great efforts to develop at least 5 new models to meet different requirements every year. Our portable refrigerators are sold in over 100 countries and regions around the world, including UK, France, Germany, USA, Netherlands, Sweden, Denmark, Norway, Finland, Russia, Japan, Korea, Australia, South America, and Mideast. Adhering to the business principle of mutual benefits, we have a reliable reputation among our customers because of our professional services, quality products, and competitive prices. We enjoy the opportunity of the challenge to meet your needs with the resources we have at our disposal. We warmly welcome customers from abroad to cooperate with us for common success. If you have any new ideas or concepts for the products, please contact us. We are glad to work together with you and finally bring you the satisfied products.